Hello and welcome to Chao. Today is a requested video tutorial. We are going to make yogurt smoothie. Yogurt drinks are becoming more popular again. Now, if you have a smoothie bar or a juice bar, it is easy for you to offer yogurt smoothies. But the downside is you will need to have freezer or refrigerator to keep your fruits and frozen yogurt. So what if you don't have a freezer in your milk tea or coffee shop? So today I am going to show you a recipe for passion fruit yogurt smoothie without the need for a freezer. For the recipe that I am going to show you today, I am going to use puree instead of fresh fruits, and I am going to use powdered yogurt instead of frozen yogurt. Now, what are the advantages and disadvantages of using powdered versus frozen yogurt? Well, if you use powdered yogurt, you don't have to worry about having a freezer in your shop, and also the shelf life is much longer. Is it any cheaper? Not necessarily. So you have to really balance the longer shelf life and the cost of using frozen yogurt versus powdered yogurt. In terms of fresh fruits, once again, you can also use frozen fruits, not fresh fruits, but you still need freezer. Is it any cheaper? Once again, you have to check the price of your puree. Good puree can actually be more expensive than using fresh fruits. So aside from a longer shelf life, which is the main benefit of using puree and powdered yogurt, you should look at the actual costing before you decide what to use for your milk tea or coffee shops. Let's get started. For the ingredients, we are going to use two major ingredients. I'm going to use passion fruit puree. You can change passion fruit to strawberry, blueberry, mango, or whatever that you have available in your market or at home or in your milk tea or coffee shops. And for the yogurt, I am going to use powdered yogurt. And that's all we need: water and ice. That's very, very simple. Now, I am going to make 16 ounces cup. This is a 16-ounce cup, and because I'm going to make two-layer, two-color, or two-tone, I'm going to make the white, which is the yogurt, and the yellow, which is the passion fruit. I'm going to split the blend into two. That's why I have here 2 cups of 8 ounces, which is 1 for the yogurt and 1 for the passion fruit. So let's start with the white, because I'm only going to use 1 blender. So for the yogurt blend, I'm going to use 3 scoops of yogurt powder. So that's 1, 2, 3 scoops of yogurt powder, or about 30 grams of yogurt. And then I am going to add 60 ml of plain water and 8 ounces cup of ice. So I'm just going to use this cup to measure, so 8 ounces cup of ice, and then we are ready to pop this into the blender. Now, because we are going to make it in two-tone, I am going to first put all the yogurt blend into 1 cup. Okay, and let's put it aside for now. I am going to use that later. This time we are going to make our passion fruit blend. So I'm using here passion fruit puree or concentrate, or if you use jam, that's also possible. I've seen people use jam. So here I'm going to use 45 ml of the passion fruit puree. And to this, I'm going to add 15 ml of water, making the liquid a total of 60 ml. So I'm just going to make sure I get everything, all the passion fruits. And now I am going to put 8 ounces of ice. you go, 8 ounces of ice. And we're going to pop this in the blender. There, now we are ready to assemble our beautiful drink. I am going to put some of my yogurt into my cup first. So I want this to be two-tone. Okay, and then put some of my passion fruit drink. Okay, and then more yogurt. More passion fruit. Yogurt. And finally, our passion fruit. Because I'm not going to put any whipped cream here, I will just decorate the top to be a cone. Yes, I'm just going to add a little bit of my blue butterfly pea. Just add a bit of color in there, and there you go. You have your passion fruit yogurt smoothie. Let's give it a try. It is a bit sour because of the yogurt, and at the same time sweet because of the passion fruit puree. It is absolutely perfect. Very simple to make. There's no reason why you cannot start making this at home or for your milk tea or coffee shops. Give this recipe a try. I am going to put the recipe in the description box below so that you can refer to it easily. So that's all I have today. I hope that you learned something new again, this time using puree and also yogurt powder instead of fresh yogurt, and let me know how it goes for you. In the meantime, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.